Today we are going to see multiplication of matrix. It is not a normal multiplication, girls. The matrix multiplication, first we want to see the order of the matrix. First the A order is 4 cross 3, then B order is 3 cross 4, again 4 cross 3. See girls, the first matrix column, the second matrix row, the both should be equal, then only we should be multiplied. Okay, this is the condition. If you want to multiply two matrices, first matrix row into column, then second matrix row into column. The first matrix column is equal to second matrix row. These both should be equal, then only we should be multiplied. Girls, first matrix order, second matrix order. In the order, first matrix column is equal to second matrix row. In the equal multiply. Remaining the product of the matrix multiplication. Now multiplication of the matrix order is the remaining 3 cross 3 will come. Okay girls, I will understand again one matrix. If A matrix is M cross N, then B matrix is N cross P. Now the product of the matrix, see girls, the first matrix column, the second matrix row, both should be equal, means the product of the multiplication is M cross P will come. You will understand? These both should be equal, then only we have to multiply. Otherwise we cannot multiply. See the another one example girls, P matrix. See girls, P matrix is 3 cross 2, then Q matrix is 2 cross 3. You now see the matrix here. The first matrix order of the first matrix column is 2, order of the second matrix row is 2. So both should be equal, we can multiply. So now PQ is 3 cross 3. The order of the product of the multiplication is 3 cross 3. The same like suppose I change the order. See girls, here the first matrix column, the second matrix row, it is not equal because here 2 and 3. It is not equal means cannot not exist or cannot be multiplied. Okay girls, now we will understand this step. First matrix order column, second matrix order row equal irundha mattumda multiply panna mudiyum. So enna seiyano, first we want to check whether the orders of the two matrices we want to first find out. Then the column of the first matrix, then the row of the second matrix should be equal. Then only we should multiply. Okay girls, then let us see the properties of the multiplication. The properties of the matrix multiplication not commutative in general. See girls, if you multiply 2 cross 3 and 3 cross 2, it should be equal. But in the matrix multiplication is not true. Always AB is not equal to BA. Sometimes should be general, sometimes it should be equal. So I will see in the we have to see the examples. Okay girls. First, always not commutative. AB, if you multiply A cross B, not equal to B cross A. Always in commutative. Okay, then distributive. Distributive already you studied in the mode, but in here right side A into B plus C. Now the right hand side AB and plus AC. If you add, you will get the same matrix. Okay, girls. Then next left hand side A plus B into C. How do you say? AC plus BC. The left hand side, the distributive over matrix additions, it should be equal. Okay girls, then always should be associative in the matrix multiplication. Associative everyone know. So how do you know girls? In just bracket around you have to check. First you have to multiply the B cross G, B cross C. Then if you multiply with A, you will get an answer. The same like if you multiply with AB, then multiply with the C, you will get the same answer. So the always associated in multiplication by unit matrix. If you multiply by unit matrix I2, we know the matrix of unit 2 cross 2, 1 0 0 1, or I3 means how do you say girls? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is called I3. So 3 cross 3 matrix unit matrix is the 2 cross 2 matrix. If you multiply with any matrix with unit, you will get the same matrix. That is called the unit matrix. Okay girls. So these are the properties we are going to see in this exercise. Let us see one by one. See girls, some examples. First they given A matrices, first 3 cross 3 given, B matrices 3 cross 3 given. If now we need the product of the matrix, first we want to write 3 cross 3 for A, then again 3 cross 3. Both orders given. See here the first matrix column. மொத மேட்ரிக்ஸோட காலம் இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு செகண்ட் மேட்ரிக்ஸோட ரோ ஈக்குவலா இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்மளோட ப்ராடக்ட் எப்படி கிடைக்கும்? AB is equal to the remaining what? 3 cross 3. Okay girls, the same like see the second one matrix A matrix is 4 cross 3, A matrix is 4 cross 3, B matrix is 3 cross 3 given. This is for your examples. See girls, here the first matrix column is equal to second matrix row. Both should be equal. So the product of the matrices, the remaining, what are the remaining girls? 4 cross 2. The order of the matrix, if you multiply, you will get the order of the matrix is 4 cross 2. Have you all understand these steps? Suppose A is 4 cross 3, then B is 2 cross 3 they given. So how do you multiply girls? Here see the A matrix is column, then B matrix is row. It is not equal. So we cannot multiplication of AB. So not exist or cannot be multiplied. Okay girls, have you all understand the multiplication? First we want to see the order of the first matrix, then see the second matrix order. Okay, the both matrix we have to check the column of the first matrix is equal to column. The rows of the second matrix should be equal. Then only we should be multiplied. Okay girls, now let us see how do you multiply in this. I given some examples. Now multiply A matrix, B matrix given. This is for your information girls. First A matrix and B matrix. What is the order here? Yes, first one row, 3 columns. Here girls, how many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, 2 columns. Okay girls. Now see here the column and the row should be equal. So that if you multiply, you will get 1 cross 2. Okay, how do you multiply girls? First write the A matrix 1 minus 1 2. Then see the second matrix 2 3 4 minus 1 1 0. This like we want to write. But our answer is 1 cross 2. 1 cross 2. How do you get girls? See whether the matrix should be 1 cross 2 now. 1 row 2 columns. 1 row 2 columns means 1 2. Like this we will get. Okay girls. This is for your information. Okay, 1 cross 2. Now 1 row 2 columns. See girls, in the multiplication rows and columns should be multiplied. First row, first column. So first element. First row, first column. What are the elements here? 1 minus 1 2. First row, first column. What is the column here? 2 3 4. This is called first element. Okay, then first row, second column. See girls, first row what? 1 minus 1 2. Here we want to write the L shape. Okay girls, now you have to close the bracket. You know, because 2 columns are there. First row, first column, first element. First row, second column, second element. Like this you have to multiply. Now first row, first column. How do you multiply? The first element into the first element. 1 into 2. Okay, then here what? Second element into second element. Minus 1 into 3. Then here third element plus 2 into 4. This is for first element. Have you all understand? If you multiply mother element multiply. Second element, third element, you have to simplify. Simplify, you will get one element. Okay, the same like this. Give some gap. Now first row, second column, second element. Okay, first row, second column, second element. First row what? 1 into minus 1. Then here minus 1 into 1. Here 2 into 0. Have you all understand the step? See girls, here if you want to multiply the L shape first you want to write. Okay girls, the first row, first column together simplify. Okay, then next first row, second column together simplify. நல்லா புரியுதா? மொத ரோவையும் மொத காலத்தையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி மொத எலிமெண்ட், அதே மாதிரி மொத ரோவையும் செகண்ட் காலத்தையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி செகண்ட் எலிமெண்ட். If you multiply and simplify, first element into first element, second element into second element, third element into third element. Okay, have you all understand? Yes, 1 into 2, then minus 3 plus 8. 2 4s are. Then next here minus 1. Here also minus 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, then 2 into 0. Okay, now you have to simplify. 2 plus 8, 10, 10 minus 3, 7. The first element is 7. The second element is both should be minus 4. So now see the elements 7 and minus 2. This is called 1 cross 2. Have you all understand this example girls? See, once again I will say. ரெண்டு மேட்ரிக்ஸை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி முதல்ல அதோட ஆர்டரை பார்க்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஏ மேட்ரிக்ஸ் 1 x 3, பி மேட்ரிக்ஸ் 3 x 2. அது தெரியும்ல, ஆர்டர் கண்டுபிடிக்க தெரியும்ல. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸசைஸ்ல ஆர்டர் சொல்லியிருக்கோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோ இன்ட்டு காலம், ரோ இன்ட்டு காலம். ஓகே, ஹவு many rows? 1 row 3 columns. இங்க பாருங்க 1 2 3 rows 2 columns. ஓகே, now first matrix ஓட column is equal to second matrix ஓட row. ரெண்டு ஈக்குவலா இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் நம்மளால மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே, now அடுத்து பாருங்க a into b, first row first column together, first row second column together. இது பென்சில்ல இந்த arrow போட்டுக்கோங்க. first row first column, first row second column. You know, already we know what is the matrix will come 1 into 2. So after first row first column simplify together, one element will come. First row second column simplify together, one second element will come. So you all understand? The same like I will see the another example. Girls, another one example for you, multiplication. Find என்ன கேட்டிருப்பாங்க, AB. Okay, find AB. First A matrix rows and column. How many rows? Yes, 2 rows 3 columns. Here girls 1 2 3 3 rows 3 columns. Okay, now see the first matrix column, second matrix row, both should be equal. So the product of the multiplication of the matrices 2 cross 3 will come. 2 cross 3 தெரியுமா? 2 cross 3 na here the 2 rows 3 columns will come. Okay, now first write A matrix 1 2 0 3 1 5. Okay, then next 8 3 1 1 minus 1 0 2 1 2. Okay girls, now we should multiply first row first column first element. How do you write girls? The L shape we want, right? 1 2 0, then column. What is the column? 8 1 2. Okay, have you all understand? First row first column first element, then first row second column 1 2 0 first row, then second column 3 minus 1 1. Have you all understand the step? First row second column, then first row third column. What is the first row? 1 2 0, then here 1 0 2. See, first row first column, first row second column, first row third column. Okay, now see the second row first column. Second row what? 3 1 5. Then first column 8 1 2. Second row first column second element. Second row second column. What is the second row? 3 1 5 second row. Then second column 3 minus 1 1. Okay, then the second row third column. What is the second row? 1 3 5. Then third column is, you all understand? First row first column first element, first row second column second element, first row third column third element. So first row over. Then second row, take a second row first column, second row la first element, second row second column, second row la second element, second row third column, it should be a third column. Okay girls, now I am going to simplify. Now each element should be multiplied. So first element into first element, plus second element into second element, third element into third element. See girls, 1 into 8, 1 into 8. Okay, 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Before that what sign? That sign want to put. Okay girls, plus 0 into 2. So you have to simplify, you will get first element. So first row first column. Okay girls, then the same like first row second column 1 into 3, 1 into 3, then plus 2 into minus 1, then plus 0 into 1. Have you all understand? Before that what sign? That sign you want to put. Okay, then 1 into 1, then 2 into 0, plus 2 into 0, plus 0 into 2. See girls, so I simplify again. Second row first column 3 into 8. Okay, then 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, because plus sign is there, 5 into 2. Okay girls, the same like second row second column, some gap, then 3 into first element into first element, here the second element plus 1 into minus 1, here the third element 5 into 1. Have you all understand? Over element multiply பண்ணனும். சரியா? Then next third row second row third column. Okay, 3 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 5 into 2. before the sign you have to write. Okay girls, now you have to simplify. 1 8 is 8, 2 1 is 2 0. Okay. Now 1 8 is 8, 1 2 is 2, 0 into 2 0. Okay girls. Next is the second element. 1 3 is 3, then 2 into minus 1 minus 2, then 0. Okay, 0 multiplication. Then here third element 1 into 1. 1 into 1, 0 into 2, 2 into 0. So everything 0 here. Then next 3 8s are is 24. 1 into 1, 1. Next 5 2s are 10. Okay girls. Next here 3 into 3, 9. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 5 into 1, 5. Okay. Then next 3 1 is 3. Then 0 plus 10. Now you have to simplify girls. 8 plus 2, 10. Then 3 minus 2, minus 1. Then 1 plus 0, everything 1 girls. Here 24 plus 1 plus 10. How much? Yes, 35 girls. Here 9 minus 1, how much? 8. 8 plus 5, yes 13. Here 3 plus 10 was 13. Now see the order 2 cross 3. Okay girls, 2 row irukku 3 column. So our answer is yes, the product of the order is correct. Okay girls, have you all understand this term? See girls, let us see the exercise 3.19. Find the order of the product of the matrix AB if the first one, the 5 questions they given girls, the order of A, first row fully order of A, the second one fully order of B. So if you want to multiply A cross B, first what I said, first matrix you want to see the column, second matrix you want to see the row. So both should be equal, it should be exist, otherwise not exist. Okay, let us see the sums one by one. See girls, the first one A order T 3 cross 3, B order is 3 cross 3. We need multiplication of AB. The rule is first matrix what? First matrix column, the second matrix row. Both should be equal, means if you should be multiplied, otherwise cannot be multiplied. Now the order of the matrix, the remaining is yes, the product of the matrix 3 cross 3 will come. Okay girls, we will understand the first sum. They are just order alone they given girls. Next, see the next one. A order is 4 cross 3, B order is 3 cross 2. Now see girls, the AB, if you want to multiply with the AB, see AB here, the first column and the first row here, the first row. So both should be equal. So the multiplication of AB is 4 cross 2. The answer should be, order of the matrix is 4 cross 2. The same like, see the next one. A order is, if you want to multiply 4 cross 2, here 2 cross 2. Here see girls, the both should be equal. The first matrix column, the second matrix row, both should be equal, means the product of the multiplication is 4 cross 2. Okay girls, see the fourth one. If you want to multiply AB, so see the column, then see the first row. Here the first matrix column, see the second matrix row, both should be equal. So the remaining is the matrix multiplication order. Okay girls, if you multiply you will get the answer of the product is 4 cross 1. See the fifth one, see girls here A is 1 cross 1, B is 1 cross 3. Both should be equal. Here the column, here the rows, both should be equal. So the multiplication of the matrix is 1 cross 3. Have you all understand these sums? See the third one girls. Yes, third sum 4 cross 2, 2 cross 2. Okay. Is it correct girls? Yes, both should be equal so that it's okay. See the second sum. If A is the order is P cross Q. Okay girls. Then P is the order of Q cross R. Then what is the order of AB and BA? The question is AB. The order of the AB. First A matrix P cross Q. Then B matrix is Q cross R. The first matrix column, the second matrix row, both should be equal. So the product of the matrices, what is the order? P cross R. Okay girls, so the remaining should be the order of the multiplication of the matrix. Can you all understand? இங்க A cross B கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Next B cross A கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அப்ப you want to write the B matrix first. B Q cross R. Then A matrix is B cross Q. Now see the order, girls. See here the first B cross A. Now first we want to write the B matrix. Then you have to write the A matrix next. See the B matrix column R. Here A matrix is P. So both is not equal. So that B is not exist, okay, cannot be multiplied, because I said in the rule is one first matrix oda column, second matrix oda row, both should be equal, means it should be multiplied, otherwise cannot be multiplied. It is the rule of the matrix multiplication. Okay, see the third sum. A rows and A plus 3 columns. A has A rows and what? A plus 3 columns given. In B matrices, what is the B matrix? B rows and 17 minus B columns. So see girls, here A matrix has A into row into column. So A rows and A plus 3 columns they given. B matrix is B rows and 17 minus B columns given. And if you product of the multiplication, AB and BA, the given is AB and BA is exist. But what is the answer of A and B? That is the question, girls. Already we know the conditions. What is the condition? Yes, A, B means what you, how do you find out A matrix? A cross A plus 3 row into column. Then B matrix is what? P into 17 minus B. Now you have to equate here column and rows. But what is the first condition? A plus 3 is equal to B. This is the first condition. இந்த ரெண்டு ஈக்குவலா இருந்தா தான் நம்மளால மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண முடியும். So equation is given as exist they given. So it is equal அப்படின்ற meaning. Okay girls, so that I am equating. Then the remaining second one. What is the second one? A is equal to 17 minus B. This is the second conditions. Okay. Then now you have to find out the value of A, girls. See the from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what is the condition? A plus 3 is equal to B here. Then the second one is A is equal to 17 minus B given. So if you instead of A you have to put 17 minus B for A. Here 3 is equal to B. So B go to the right hand side. So B plus B. Here what? 17 plus 3 what? 20. So 2B is equal to 20. What is the value of B, girls? Yes, 10. Because 20 divided by 2, you will get the value of B is 10. The same like put B is equal to 10 in equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? A plus 3 is equal to B, girls. Now what is the value of B here? A plus 3 is equal to 10. Instead of B I put 10. Now A is equal to 10 minus 3. So what is the value of A? Yes, A is equal to 7. B is equal to 10. Now you want to find out the order of the matrix. Now the answer is A is equal to 7. The solution A and B are the question is. So A is equal to 7, B is equal to 10. Here why I am equating, girls? Again I am explaining the A matrix order given, B matrix order given. Order means they didn't give the numbers, they given the variables, so that AB and BA exist they given. So that the first column and the first row I am equating, I get one equation. Next the product of the multiplication also I get one equation. So because if you multiply BA means first column, first matrix or column, second matrix or row, both should be equate. The eliminating or the otherwise you have to substitute, you will get the answer of A and B. Okay girls, have you understood? See the fourth sum, girls. A matrix given 2 5 then 4 3. B matrix is 1 minus 3 2 5. Find AB and BA. AB you want to find out and BA. Then check AB is equal to BA. Want to check, girls? Already first properties I we studied in the commutative property is always not true in the matrix. Okay girls, always not, sometimes should be equal. When it will be we will see in the later, girls. First we want to multiply it of AB. First A cross B. Here also 2 cross 2 matrix. Here also 2 cross 2 matrix. First we want to write the order of the matrix. Now we have to see the column, here rows. Both should be equal. So the answer is you will get 2 cross 2. A, B. Already is, we learned the first sum. How do you multiply everything? I said in the first sum, we have to write first A matrix, then write the B matrix. What is the B matrix? 1 minus 3, 2, 5. Now you will get the answer is 2 cross 2. Okay girls, the first row, first column. This should be in the first element. Okay, 2, 5 in the first row, then column is 1, 2. Okay girls, the same like the L shape you have to write. If you know very well means you have to directly multiply. So first two sums you have to do it like this. Okay, 2, 5. And here first row, second column minus 3, 5. Okay. Then next second row, first column 4, 3. Then what? 1, 2. For second row, first column, second element. Second element to first. Okay, second row, second column. What is second row? 4, 3. Then here minus 3, 5. Now you have to simplify, girls. Do the first one. First element into the first element. 2 into 1, 2. Directly I am writing 5 2s are 10. Okay, girls. These steps I skipped, girls. 2 into 1 plus 5 into 2. Directly I am writing. Here also 2 into minus 3. Then 2 5 5s are 25. Okay, girls. Then here the second row, first column. 4 into 1, 4. 3 into 2, 6. Here also. Now you should multiply column. Here row, first row, second row, second column. Here second row, second column. 4 into minus 3. Then 3 into 5. Okay, girls. Now you have to simplify. 2 plus 10. Sorry. Yes. 2 plus 10, 12. Then minus 6, 25, 19 will come. Okay. Now next 4 plus 6, 10. Minus 12 plus 15. So plus 3. This is called A cross B. A and B multiply panna, you will get the answer. The same like we want to find out B. Both should be, whether we have to check both should be equal or not. B matrix. What is the B matrix first? First we want to write the B matrix. 1 minus 3, 2, 5. Okay. Then A matrix. 2, 5, 4, 3. Now the same like L division. The first row, first column. So 1 minus 3. Then here the first column is 2, 4. Have you all understand these steps? Yes, 1 minus 3, 2, 4. Then next, first row, second column, 1 minus 3. Then here what? 5, 3. Okay, girls? Then second row, first column, 2, 5. Then here 2, 4. The same like 2, 5. Second row, second column, 5, 3. See girls, now you have to simplify directly. 1, 2 is 2. Here minus 3 plus 4. Minus 12. If you multiply, you will get minus 12. Okay. Now next. Here first row, second column. 1 into 5, 5. Minus 3 into plus 3. Minus 9. Okay. Now next. 2 into 2, 4. 5 into 4 plus 20. Okay girls. Here the second row, second column. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 50. Now you have to simplify. Simplify girls. Here minus 10 will come. Here my 24. Here minus 4. Here what? 15 means 25. See, this is called 2. Now you have to check 1 and 2 should be equal. Is it equal, girls? No. So always I said commutative law is not true. AB is not equal to BA. Okay girls.